It's the end of 2024 and everyone has been asking me off my past video, if you haven't seen it, this one right here, of all of the cars and the cool stuff that went on in 2023 for the car wraps. But since it's about to be the end of 2024, here are the top 7 car wraps that are really blowing people's minds in 2024. Let's jump straight into it. The first thing that you need to do is go ahead and subscribe to this channel because we're gonna give you more videos and tips and tricks just like this. The first one is actually doing these parts right here, the door jambs. Because a lot of people have been customizing their vehicles just to wrap the door jambs and to make it really exclusive. Because the look on it, once you open up that door, it tells a different story. Some people put roses there, some people put skulls, some people even put the actual brands of the car. So say for instance, if it's 392 or a Hellcat, they like to put all of those little smaller logos in there. So that way, it just creates a whole different look for the car, especially when they open up the doors. The next one in this is actually doing these right here. People don't realize that you can actually wrap these windows and not have it tinted. You can have it tinted, it's on the inside, obviously. The wrap will be on the outside, but you can actually have the same types of wraps, but this one will be, instead of a printed wrap, you're kind of gonna be able to see through it just a little bit because they're actually cutting these out and then leaving it. So you can put different stuff such as, people like to put Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior, or you can make this actually match with the rest of the door jambs that you have and put the skulls or the flowers or any type of designs that you have in mind like that. Keep in mind, this won't be printed like how the door jambs will. These will actually be cut out so they'll show a little bit through the window. So yeah, now you can see exactly what I'm talking about right there because it makes it an exquisite piece. Doesn't make it exclusive, it just makes it just like, I haven't seen that before, that's pretty cool. And you don't even have to do the whole wrap on that little small window. You can actually put your decals of your Instagram handles, YouTube handles, whatever that you want, even a QR code on there, just to keep people to just scan it, see what you got. Number 3 is a two-tone wrap, not this. Yes, this does change colors, but this is not that car. A two-tone wrap is actually where you wrap half of the car in another color. It doesn't matter whether it is two-tone from the bottom down or the back half forward. You can change it up and switch up the styles so many different ways to have it to where it is exclusive just for your car. Because I know you driving around in somebody's car or you're driving around in your car, it doesn't matter if it's wrapped or painted. They may be riding around the same color, so you need to switch it up just a little, just a hair. And a two-tone wrap is good for that. It will definitely get the job done. And depending on the type of vehicle, it makes it just look presidential, especially on a Benz, especially on a BMW, and even some Audis, but definitely the Benz and BMWs. Now, if you try this on a Camaro, you have to do it a different way. And yes, we've done it plenty of different ways on a Camaro. You can even do this on Corvettes, you can do this on any type of vehicle, but be very tasteful on it. You don't want to have it to where you're trying to do something that is two-toned, but it doesn't even follow the body lines. If it doesn't follow the body lines, it doesn't look good at all. So if you want it to be a sporty look, I suggest you do the back half. But if you want it to be a more elegant look for your elegant clients, then you should do the top and bottom as half and half on that one. It will create a really good look just for your style and make people say, hey, it's subtle, but bold. Now, number 4 is a transition wrap. Now, what do I mean by transition wrap? Where it fades from one color to a totally different color. Now, going along with the two tones, this does have a little bit of it, but this one actually creates a transition. It doesn't abruptly just stop and then start a whole nother color. This is really for any type of clients, whether you are a business, whether you like the sporty look, whether you like the presidential look. Trust me, those Civics look amazing with the transition fade wraps. Now, when you have a Hellcat, you just changed the game because now with those, I've seen it to where people have changed it from white to pink, red to black. And this was even, I know, I get it. Yes, it was in my last year's video, but this one has kept going and growing. So more people are actually just getting in tune with this. It works on every type of car. We've done it on multiple businesses, and we've even done it for multiple clients that just have their general daily drivers. And these daily drivers just become broken necks for the clients that are watching, that are potential clients later, because as they ride around and pass their friends are like, dang, that is fire. And that's what you're gonna get every time. Here's the tricky thing about it. Some people don't realize that you can actually make it to where it's metallic. That metallic look then becomes a lot more eye-catching. And when I mean by eye-catching, when you're driving at night, obviously metallic is not gonna show in the daytime. But when you're driving at night and that light hits it and it reflects the right way, that transition wrap just became the icebreaker for any location where you just pulled up at. But this next one, this one should have been number one just because so many people have been getting this. I'll get into it in a second. Yes, custom decals are what people want, but they don't want them in these sizes. These sizes are cool, but they want these enlarged, put on the side of their vehicles, almost the same size as the ones that they put on the Hellcats. So, what people want, give them what they ask for. They may ask for decals such as where they want the Hello Kitty on the side, they want a Jaguar on the side, they want their face in a silhouette on the side of it, or they want a racing bee, they want a coyote, they want plenty of different things, elephants, gorillas, bears, lions, tigers, all of the rest of those animals too. You can definitely put it on there, and it can be done. It doesn't even have to be on the sides. It could be on the hood. It could be on the trunk. It could be on the doors, front fenders. You name it, you can place it there. And that's where, let me jump into the next one, because this one right here, decals can be put anywhere. All shapes and sizes. Number 6, no one ever was gonna guess what number 6 is. You wouldn't ever believe it. Number 6 is actually combining the different styles. You can do the decals, you can do the transitions with it, you can do the windows, you can do the door jamb wraps, and combine all of this into one complete style that you like. And that is the best thing right there. You don't have to be limited to say, oh, I want the transition wrap, but I really like the two-tone. You can do a transition wrap and still have it two-tone. And what I mean by that, you can actually switch it up and just say, I want the transition wrap of it, the same transition and everything, but at the top, I wanted more satin or anything like that. Because how to do that is you can actually include PPF into it. So, and that is the beauty of it. Because now you're introducing another style. But let's go back to the main part of it. Combining your different styles of wraps, the decals, the window, the full wrap on it. You want to even put the decal on the side of the door, on top of that wrap. Cool. It's up to you. Now this last one, yes, it is this. Color flow. What do I mean by color flow? Not that. That's the ceramic coat on there, in case you didn't know. But color flow is where you see it actually changes colors and flows to a totally different one once it hits the light. As you can see at this angle, the light is hitting it and creating so many different colors. Purple, blue, bronze, a reddish tone, even a little bit of a, I would say, plumish color as well. But it makes this car look that much cooler. Impeccable. Incredible. And I know you're asking like, man, why'd you pour that water on there? You see it's just beating up and just running right off? That's what a ceramic coat does when you do that. That's what we call an honorable mention. Ceramic coat the car because it is going to benefit you in the long run to keep it from water getting on it, having water spots, worrying about bird poop, any other dirt and debris and stains that may come on your car. You can easily rinse it off and wash it very lightly and it comes right off. But for the color flows, just watch it. It's just changing as we go. Every time that we walk around this car, it's gonna change colors on us. Now, when you get into the sunlight, it may stay at one color. But once it hits that nighttime and those lights hit it in a different area, even if it starts to change in the daytime, it will. But look how much it's just been changing just by me talking. That light is, whew. And there's at least 20 to 30 different colors that they have as color flow. Avery Dennison does it the best on it, but there are other ones such as Vinyl Frogs, Tech Wraps. Tech Wraps does have good colors too on there too. And then other brands as well, other Chinese brands. Avery Dennison is one of the best. So if you want a color flow that looks correct and clean, understand this. With Avery Dennison, when you're installing the vinyl on this, it's a directional vinyl, so it needs to go either clockwise or counterclockwise around the car. So as an installer, understand this. Don't just start to turn and mix and match this any which way. The light's gonna hit it differently and the client is not gonna be happy. But in this video right here, we're gonna show you a lot of tips and tricks that you never thought of, even if you wanted to wrap it or you didn't want to wrap your car. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Just click right here.